Hello, in this video I will show you a surprisingly easy way to do a moon phases design. We have nails covered with a black gel polish and matte top coat. Now I apply stencils. For this design I will be using air proofing system, and if you would like to learn more about it, I will leave the link in the upper right corner and the link down below with the overview of the system. So we need to place the stencil right in the center of the nail because this is where I would like to locate the moons. So make sure you have the same distance from the cuticle to the center. This is not actually too hard. I think it's much easier rather than hand paint them. Then I will take another stencil, which is the circle from the center of the same stencil, and add them. So first moon will be full moon, then we will have like 2/3 of the moon, half moon, and the last one will be the thinnest one. So make sure that the stencil is very close to the surface, there are no air bubbles in between. Then I will take the special sponge brush and the air proofing gel paint. This is a very intense white gel paint, and simply dab, 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 apply the color. So my goal is not to make just a solid white circle because it doesn't look as fun. I want to take a little ombre on the sides, so to make it look like an actual moon. So this one will be almost full with a slight ombre on the left, so I'm not touching the left part too much. Then I take a little bit more of the paint and we'll do the middle finger. So here we already have the part of the moon that is hidden, and also make sure that you do not use too much of the paint, because if you will, it will look like just, you know, a flat regular drawing, and I want to make it look a little bit with the dimension of the color. And I think that's enough. Let's do the ring finger now. I like using this metallic air proofing palette because you can easily blend the color and see the intensity of it before applying it directly to the nail, because if you do not check it, we might end up with big spots of the paint that will not look as good anymore. And the consistency of the paint is very thick, so we don't need to worry about the color running away. As you can see, I'm doing 4 nails at a time. I'm not curing anything yet, and I don't have to worry about it because the layer will be super thin. Now I'm finishing up with the smallest moon. And now, before curing, we need to remove the stencils and do it very carefully so we will not touch the object. And now you can see that this moon is actually with this ombre. I think it looks pretty cool. You know, honestly, I wanted to do this moon phases design for a long time, and I was going to do it traditional way, just, you know, with a brush and hand paint these moons and do these ombres. But then when I got this air proofing system and these circle stencils, I was like, wow, I can do it with the stencils much easier and faster. Now we need to cure it. It is recommended to fully cure it for 1 minute in LED lamp, and then I decided that it will look cool if we will seal it with the matte top coat as well. But you can use glossy too. I think they will both look pretty cool. So here in this system they have their own matte top coat, which is a no cleanse. So I will simply cover all nails with it, and then we will be done. This is my second time using these air proofing products, and my conclusion is that honestly I don't see much difference with the sponge brush because I've used different sponges before, and to me, you know, most sponges are kind of the same, but the paints, those are really good. I mean, they're designed for this system, and the color is intense, and it is really easy to make it with a very, very thin layer and still get the intensity that you want. And also I like the matte top coat that comes in the system, and the stencils are also good because I have plenty of stencils from my airbrushing system, but for airbrush they are much thinner because they're designed for airbrushing paints, which is a different thing. So these ones are designed to work with gels, so they're really easy to clean and they are thicker. So now we are curing in LED for 1 minute, and after that we are done. Here we go, moon phases design. So you guys can try it because the circle stencil is definitely the most popular one and the easiest one to get. Let me know what do you think. If this is your first time here on my channel, do not forget to subscribe as the new videos are coming up every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.